According to the NFPA 70e standard for electrical safety in the workplace, workers need to be protected from electrical hazards on the job. The standard outlines a variety of recommendations and practices to protect workers from these hazards. There is a great emphasis on the elimination of hazards, and the implementation of safety-related work practices. To maintain safety on the job, Duro has implemented a zero hot work policy. Although there will be times when it is not feasible to de-energize the electrical equipment or system, it is expected that employees make de-energization a priority in eliminating and controlling the hazard, and maintaining safety. Under the NFPA 70e standard, all electrical equipment and systems need to be placed in an electrically safe work condition. By definition, an electrically safe work condition is a state in which an electrical conductor, or circuit part, has been disconnected from energized parts, locked and tagged, in accordance with established standards, tested to verify the absence of voltage, and, if necessary, temporarily grounded for personal protection. To be compliant with the standard, all three of these conditions must be met. When de-energizing the system, remember that you may need to factor in additional power sources, and isolate all potential sources of energy. When locking and tagging out systems, follow Duro's policy as instructed. If you are in need of additional equipment, get with your supervisor or the safety department. When testing and verifying the absence of voltage, remember that the process involves multiple steps. First, check your meter to ensure it is rated for the voltage being verified, and ensure the meter is operating properly. Second, check for the absence of voltage on the system you are working on. Be sure to check all components and circuits. Finally, check your meter again to ensure that it is still operating properly. Once you have verified that the system and equipment is in an electrically safe work condition, you are free to work within the limited approach boundary and perform your work. Duro understands that you will not be able to put all systems and equipment into an electrically safe work condition. If you find yourself in a situation where you will have to work energized, you will need to stop all actions and perform a risk assessment. Part of the assessment includes creating a method of procedure, and completing an energized electrical work permit. All permits must have signatures from the customer or general contractor, the project manager, the safety manager, and the company president. Work cannot begin until everyone has reviewed and signed off on the permit. If you have questions regarding any of the information contained in this video, please contact the Duro Safety Department. Electrical work can be extremely hazardous. Take your time and ensure you are prepared to perform the work safely. Take care, and think smart before you start.